Hmm. Good morning, students. How are you? As today we are going to show you some drawing of masks. As you all know that we are going through different phases, old phases like this. Quarantine is going on, and we have to stay at home, and we can't go out. So in between that also, we are trying to do something to make us feel a little better. So by and by, when the workshop is going on, I thought of making some masks. So at first I thought of drawing some mask. I was going through one book, and in that I was finding there are many types of masks of different region, from which we are going to get some mask of Odisha style. So from that I can show you here. You can see there are many types of masks are there. Fine. So let's start with some masks. Firstly, we are going to do some simple basic sketches. Today we are going to study some sketches of mask, and we will by the time will pass, we will try to make something. We will make some Odissi style mask. So today we will do the shading. So let's start with the shading. So here we can see, you will see my hands first. I am just going on making the masks for you. This type of masks are very much available whenever you find any fair like regional fair. As we all know, there are many types of fairs happening. In our Kolkata also we used to have like these fairs. So these are the things where it happens, like the traditional art forms. The traditional art forms which is happening throughout the Indian states and regions, there we can find various type of designs, various types of motifs, and you know all that these motifs are coming from our base roots, that is from the village and the folk people. So here also you see this Odissi style mask. Basically this is the form of something folk, and we all know that Odisha is famous for Lord Jagannath, and there also the idol of Jagannath is also a form of art which is based on folk art. So, and one thing students, and a very interesting thing is that in different places there are different styles, there are different features of the folk arts. In some places like in Odisha, you can find out that in every case, in every place, the eyes are very big and bright. In some places you can find out one thing, that they can do the paintings or the sculptures in very minute way. So let's see today's work. What can we do? Easily we can make these things, and we can put this thing in our wall hanging. We can shade it. In some cases, if anybody is interested to do it in fabric color, they can also do it in fabric color on their t-shirts, and they can wear it. That will look good, of course. Now you can see that as I am doing this a shading work, there are different style of pencils we can use to give the shading. And in pencil shading, we know that basically there are three tones. And what are the tones? The tones are divided into three parts. That is, we all know, light shade, medium shade, and dark shade. Keeping that in mind, we have to go on doing the work. I am making this video for you only. I would like to see when the school will reopen from everybody of the students of class 6 that you must make some much more masks, some painted, you may paint it, you may shade it, or you may do anything else. But I want to see some more work. Really interesting part. We are going to end it. When you are doing the sketch, keep it in mind to give the highlighted part, the design works and the other things in such a way that it gets much more attracted. I am giving the ears to this mask, and to make it much more attractive, we are giving the border lines. Now it's wearing 2 earrings, and that's it. Thank you for today. We will meet you next time.